I was 7 years old when I realized issue sa akin yung weight ko. I am always being compared sa skinny cousins ko hanggang sa school, dama ko yung term na taba as a description when people are trying to find out kung sino ako. Si yung mataba. Ganon nila ako laging i-describe. I struggled with my weight hanggang high school. Worst memory ever. Imagine yung tipong pinagtatawanan ka na ikaw yung makakapartner nila sa warm-up sa PE kasi daw baka madaganan mo sila. Tapos, i-add mo pa yung no one ever asked me to dance with them sa prom. Kasi baka daw matapakan ko sila, hindi na sila makalakad. I was always insecure. College came and my parents allowed me na mag-dorm ako. Sabi ko ito na yung chance ako. Doon ko sineryoso yung pagpapapayat. I lost a lot of weight and people started noticing me. But it was when yung high school crush ko sent me a PM or a private message that I realized how petty this world can be. He told me na I looked good ngayong pumayat na ako. Instead na kiligin, I felt disgusted. Blinak ko siya agad sa Facebook even though gusto ko siya. Nandiri ako sa part na napakaliit ng utak ng ibang tao na binabase yung pagtingin nila sa timbang o hugis ng katawan ng iba. Today, I still hit the gym, but I no longer do it so people won't judge me. Natuto akong maging unbothered, careless sa mga taong hinuhusgahan ako sa weight ko. I even stopped talking sa mga kamag-anak kong nagpapababa ng self-confidence ko. It's by time we normalize having manners. Being told that no one will ever love you because of your size is not okay and they need to be cut off sa buhay mo. I am unbothered now by my size and my choices in life as long as I am happy. And as for other people, I learned to block them out. Hindi nila deserve, maski ang galit ko. Good for you, Bea. I mean, I like the attitude na unbothered ka na by people and you have realized na people will just say whatever it is na gusto nilang sabihin without even thinking what you'll feel. Kung ano yung mararamdaman mo. That people nowadays are so engulfed ng idea ng freedom of expression, freedom of speech, that they won't even think twice kung yung sasabihin nila will cut deeper than a knife. People of today, parang inaccept na lang natin yung attitude, yung habit, yung behavior ng klase ng pagbati na, uy, kumusta ka? Tumataba ka. Diba? It even became viral sa Facebook when a kid na merong Filipino blood pero half-half siya, so foreigner siya. Tinatry niyang sabihin sa mga followers how it's done in the Philippines. So sa kanila daw, hola! O diba? Parang hi, hello, ganyan. Pero dito daw sa Pilipinas, it's always like, hello, kumusta ka? Tumataba ka. It became so usual for us to say something like that without even thinking that maybe, just maybe, even if yung taong yun ay strong, even if yung taong yun ay closest friend mo, maybe, just maybe, they can still be offended by that remark. It's not just that hindi lang yung tapa, minsan sa skin, minsan kapag kunyari may nangyari sa yung hindi maganda, nag-fail ka sa exam or somewhat, ginagawa natin siyang normal for you to say those things in a public venue with people listening without even thinking kung makakasakit tayo o hindi. Luckily for people like Bea, they have mastered the art of having a thick skin, being unbothered by these people, realizing na there's more to life than listening to this tiny brain type of people. O diba? Yung mga maliliit yung utak, yung mga makikitid yung utak na hindi na nag-iisip before sila nagsasalita. Bea is one of those people who are lucky enough to be comfortable sa mga sarili nila, no matter how much they weigh or how they look. But there are those people, a lot of people even, na still affected sila by it and they don't know how to control it or overcome yung feeling of being offended, yung feeling of being insecure, yung feeling of second guessing yourself, doubting yourself because people are telling you that you are not good enough. At yung mga taong nakakarinig sa paligid na tumatawa, hindi man sila dumadagdag gumagatong sa sinasabi ng tao, still nakikitawa sila, you guys are not any better than those people na nagsasalita ng masasakit na salita because you are allowing it to happen. Hinahayaan yung magkaroon ng ganong remark and people just can get away with it as if ito ay dapat normal na. Kasi my love, it's not. It's not normal and it shouldn't be. Nasaan na ba napunta yung delikadesa natin? Saan na ba napunta yung sensitivity natin? Saan ba napunta yung kindness natin? Nasaan nga ba napunta yung manners natin? If I'm not mistaken, way back nung bata ako, grabe yung value ng manners sa isang classroom. If you say something offensive to your classmate, sure ball, may repercussions yan. Pero ngayon, I can see kids in the age of 5, 6, calling their own playmates taba. And parents are okay with it. Why? Diba? Are you training your kids to be bullies? Para paglaki nila, bully sila? You shouldn't be proud that your kids are like that. You should be concerned. So sana, my love, mag-create tayo ng environment na kind enough to be sensitive sa mga ganong klaseng salita kasi not everybody can be like Bea. Can develop self-confidence na kayang umabot dun sa punto hanggang maging komportable na siya sa sarili niyang katawan and be confident with it. Ayaw niyo naman sigurong ipa-experience pa sa mga anak ninyo or sa iba yung paglaki sa hindi magandang childhood because feeling mo you are less of a person than the people around you because of how you look, because of your physical attributes. People shouldn't be measured with that. Unfortunately, o diba, sa mata ng social media, that one is okay. Kahit gaano pa karami yung maganda at kind at alam mo yun, someone to look up to na angel Locsin na magsabi sa inyo na it's not okay for you to say those things to people. Still, o diba, yung narating ko, yung nagawa ko, at yung ginagawa ko pa defines me more than how I look. Sana, my love, this world can be kinder. Sana hindi tayo gamitin ng social media platform. Sana magbaliktad tayo ang gumamit ng social media platforms for the better, my love. That is a wishful thinking nowadays kasi mas marami pa rin talaga ang laitero at laitera. Kung tatamaan ka, good. 'Di ba? para mauntog ka naman sa katotohanan na before ka manlait ng ibang tao, before ka, siguro hindi mong intensyon manlait, gusto mo lang i-describe, before mo i-describe yung mga tao with an offensive manner or with the offensive manner, like saying those things without even thinking, sana this time around, kapag narinig mo to at alam mong ikaw yon, yung ang hilig magtawag ng mga kung ano-anong nickname sa mga tao based on how they look, based on their physical attributes, my love, it's not nice. Mukha kang walang pinag-aralan, mukha kang mal-edukado. Mukha ka lang bastos, nothing more than that. So train yourself to describe people for how they are, not how they look. If hindi mo kilala, call them Miss, call them Mr. If you want to describe them, find a dictionary para makahanap ka ng mas magandang term kaysa sa mga salitang balbal na nakakapanakit lang ng damdamin ng ibang tao. Yan ang inormalize natin, us being sensitive sa nararamdaman ng iba. Kasi kung ikaw yung ide-describe nila, you wouldn't like it either. Klaro? Claro.